Hello, welcome back everyone. Welcome to this channel. In the last video, I have explained you about cube, its surface area, its lateral surface area, its volume and its diagonal. In this video, we will discuss surface area, lateral surface area, volume and diagonal of a cuboid. So, today we are dealing with the formula and concepts of cuboid, right? So as we all know that cuboid consists of 6 faces. Each face is a rectangle. Each face is what? Rectangle, right? And we all know that every square is also a rectangle, right? So two of its faces may be a square also, right? And we can say that every cube is also a special cuboid where each side is same. So here in this case the length is denoted by L, right? Breadth is denoted by B, height is denoted by H. Hope this is clear. So in this case, as I said, this is 3D, this is length, this is breadth, this is height. I'll show you one cuboid. This is one cuboid. I just took to make you understand, right? So in this cuboid, as this is three-dimensional, this is what? Three-dimensional. So this finger represents its length, this finger represents its breadth, this finger represents its height. So if I place it on this one, I get everything, right? So when I talk about this face, its area is the area of rectangle, that means length into its breadth. When I talk about this face, its area is length into its height. When I talk about this face, right, so its area is nothing but breadth into its height. I hope this is clear, right? So we all know that there are opposite faces are equal. So if I label this face as I said, in this case, total surface area of cuboid try to understand. I repeat, right? This area is LB and area of the face opposite to this is again LB. So LB plus LB is 2LB. This area is the area of this square rectangle is, this is length and this is height, so LH. So this is LH, this is also LH. So LH plus LH is 2LH. Plus area of this part is, this is breadth and this is height, so area of this rectangle is BH. So again we have 2BH. Let me explain again. Area of this bottom layer is LB, so upper layer is LB, so 2LB. Front face is LH, back face is also LH, so 2LH. Side face is BH, this side face is also BH, so 2BH. So if we take 2 common, so this becomes 2 outside, this becomes LB plus LH plus BH. You may write in any order, that's okay, that's your wish. So I hope total surface area of a cuboid is very clear. Coming back to same thing, as I said in the previous video also, either lateral surface area, and I hope you know lateral surface area is also known as vertical surface area. The faces which are standing, vertical surface area. So in this vertical surface area, actually this face, I repeat, this is, let's say, seal, and the opposite face to this is, this both won't get counted. That means from this figure, this LB and this LB will not come, so we can exclude LB. So what is lateral surface area? 2LH plus 2BH. You may take 2 common, height is also common, L plus B. That means what we can conclude, lateral surface area or vertical surface area is nothing but perimeter of the floor into its height. This can be expressed as perimeter of the floor into its height. I hope this is clear. Coming back to the volume part, very important part, right? So this volume of cuboid, I repeat, in the last video I said, in the last video, basic video, I have explained what is volume. Volume is nothing but area of base into its height. So what is the area of base, friends, in this case? So when you see this base is nothing but LB. So this is LB into its height is H, so volume is LBH. I hope this is clear, right? So the last part of this video, right? So I'm just trying to make you understand again the same thing as I asked in the last video of cube, right? What can be the length of longest rod that can be kept in the cuboidal room? Now this time cuboidal room, last time I asked for cubical room, right? So in this we are talking in terms of diagonal. I'll explain this again. Diagonal of a cuboid. Let me make one cuboid for you all. So this cuboid is ready, right? In this cuboid we are talking about, this is the diagonal. So let me label this to make you understand. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? BC is L, CF is B, right? EF is H. So first we'll find out BF. So BF square is what? By Pythagoras, BF square, this is because 90, so BF square equals to BC square, that is L square, plus CF square, that is B square. I hope this is clear. BF square. Coming back to diagonal, that we need BE square. So BE square will be what? BE square will be BF square plus EF square, right? So in this case already we have what is the value of BF square? L square plus B square. What is EF square? That is H square. So finally this is the value of BE square is L square plus B square plus H square. Therefore what is the value of BE, friends? BE is nothing but root of L square plus B square plus H square. So this will give you the diagonal of a cuboid. I hope it is clear. So let's quickly revise what we have discussed in this video. We have discussed all related concepts to cuboid, right? Where L is the length of cuboid, B is the breadth of cuboid, H is the height of cuboid, right? We have discussed total surface area of cuboid, which comes to be 2LB plus LH plus BH. We have discussed lateral surface area, which is 2H in bracket L plus B. We have discussed volume of cuboid, which is LBH. We have discussed and understood the diagonal of a cuboid, which is root of L square plus B square plus H square. Last part, either you say the length of all edges, length of all its edges, right? Or you may say, like, for your understanding, you may use the word perimeter of cuboid, right? So in this case, when you see this one, right? So let's talk about, this is L, this is L, so we have 2L. 2L will be back side, so we have 4L. Similarly, this is B, this is B, so here we have 2B, so back side 2B, so 4B. This portion is height, one height, 2 height, 3 height, 4 height. So let's quickly make you all understand through this figure. 1L, 2L, 3L, 4L. So the length of all its edges will be 4 times L plus, so this is 1 breadth, 2 breadth, 3 breadth, 4 breadth, so 4B plus height 1, 2, 3 and 4, so 4H. That means if I take 4 common, so this is L plus B plus H, so this will give you the total length of all its edges, or you can say the perimeter of cuboid. Whether where it is in terms of cube, it is directly 12 L, as we have 12 edges in a cuboid. In cube 12 edges in cube, so directly in cube it will become 12L. Here the dimensions are different, so I have explained this formula, where in cube case I have skipped that formula because it is understood 12 edges are there, so 12L will be the formula. I hope you have understood this one, right? I hope you will like this video and you will share it with your friend. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.